Welcome to Real World AIP. I'm Stacey and today I'm going to be making Tigernut Butter. It's kind of like peanut butter, but AIP compliant. You don't have to toast everything, I just love the flavor that it gives it. That's a step that you can skip. I'm actually going to use, as the recipes that I saw online wanted you to add coconut oil. For people that are sensitive to coconut or whatever, I'm going to give you an alternative. They make Tigernut oil. Yeah, this is nutty and delicious. So if you're looking for something to add a little flavor, a little nutty flavor to your AIP savory dishes, Tigernut oil, I'm gonna use this. Oh, and there's a link below in the description. I'm gonna use this in my Tigernut butter, so it's 100% Tigernut. I'm gonna use 1 cup, which is going to be 6 ounces, or exactly half of this bag. I'm gonna time these and let you know how long it took in my 450-degree oven. Basically, the rule is you just go until you smell something toasty and keep a really close eye on them. Alright, so it's been 6.5 minutes, and these are perfectly like toasty smelly. They're not burnt though, they're just right. So we're gonna take these toasted tiger nuts and we're gonna get our Ninja out and put them in the Ninja. I'm going to add a little bit of Himalayan pink salt. Now you could add cinnamon and honey and all kinds of fun things. I'm just going to make the plain version. You can go to town with it and tell me what you came up with. I'm going to be very generous with this Tigernut oil because these are going to be tough to blend if I'm not. So that's probably 3 to 4 tablespoons that I put in there. I mean, I think I've put about 1/2 cup in there by now, but it's never going to turn into nut butter without it. You basically want to keep blending this, stopping. If it's not pureeing, you know, shake it up, add oil if you need to. Keep repeating that till you've added enough oil that it can do this. No, that is good. Wow. Okay, stop everything. Let's talk about this. This was a little labor intensive to make because the tiger nuts were dry. I had to keep adding oil and oil and oil. I basically went through my whole bottle of tiger nut oil that I wanted to use on my salads. I'm really glad I toasted them. It gave it an awesome flavor, and I just have to say this tastes very much like peanut butter. This is dangerous. I think I might have to freeze this in ice cubes so I don't like eat it with a spoon all the time. So here we have the Tigernut butter on this side next to some of my homemade toasted coconut butter. The thing I love about this Tigernut butter is that it's still spreadable and creamy right out of the fridge, where, you know, the coconut butter, you have to heat it up. It's still amazingly delicious, but you have to get it warm before you can use it. Not so with the Tigernut butter. My favorite way to serve this is on one of my homemade batata bars. This one came out a little crumbly because I put too much coconut milk in the recipe. Doesn't matter. This is a little more crumbly and not quite as spreadable when it comes right out of the fridge. It is spreadable though, as you can see. This is, for me, like the best breakfast that I've ever tasted on AIP. Let me know how you make out if you try to make Tigernut butter. If you like the video, subscribe below. I do put out new videos every Thursday, sometimes bonuses on Sunday. I hope to see you soon. Until then, I'll be here binging on Tigernut butter. No, I'm freezing it. All right. Till then, be healthy.